Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make good salad dressing. We'll start by selecting the right base, typically a high-quality oil like extra virgin olive oil, which forms about 3/4 of your dressing. Next, we'll introduce an acid, such as apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice, making up about 1/4 of the liquid. Finally, we'll balance these with a touch of sweetness and essential seasonings to create a harmonious blend. Now, let's elevate those basic flavors. Minced garlic or finely chopped shallots can add wonderful aromatic depth to your dressing. Fresh herbs like parsley, dill, or chives introduce a burst of vibrant freshness. Don't forget Dijon mustard. Just about 1 teaspoon can act as a fantastic emulsifier, helping your oil and acid blend beautifully. For a little extra zing, a dash of hot sauce or a pinch of red pepper flakes works wonders. Achieving a perfectly emulsified dressing is key to its texture and how well it coats your salad. Start by combining your acid, seasonings, and any emulsifiers like Dijon mustard in a bowl. Then, slowly drizzle in your chosen oil, whisking continuously and vigorously. This gradual addition helps the oil and water-based ingredients combine into a smooth, creamy mixture. Alternatively, you can place all ingredients in a jar with a tight-fitting lid and shake it vigorously for about 60 seconds. Once your delicious dressing is made, proper storage ensures its freshness. Transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it, where it will typically stay fresh for 5 to 7 days. Don't be afraid to customize. Try different oils like avocado or walnut oil, or explore various vinegars such as balsamic or red wine vinegar. Adjust the sweetness, acidity, and seasoning to perfectly match your palate, making each salad uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.